Welcome to HealthWealth University, where true wellness is more than just the absence of disease. It's a state of being where your body, mind, and spirit are in harmony. This is holistic healing, a path that nurtures all aspects of your being. It's about restoring your energy, embracing balance and connection, and healing beyond the symptoms. As you step into this university, you'll discover a community of like-minded individuals, each on their own journey towards wellness. We come together to share, to learn, and to grow. Our curriculum covers nutrition, mindfulness, and connection to self, to nature, and to others. We believe that true wellness is a way of life, a lifestyle that includes movement, meditation, conscious breathing, and a connection to something greater than ourselves. So, whether you're a student, a practitioner, or someone seeking to deepen their understanding of holistic healing, we invite you to join us. Together, we can create a healthier, happier world. One that embraces the interconnectedness of all things and honors the wisdom of the body, the power of the mind, and the magic of the human spirit.